What do we as parents do?
Make it a rule. If you have a tantrum to get your way, the answer is no.
Ngayon sa Pinoy Extreme, pag-uusapan natin kung may lugar ba ang pagtatantrums sa lugar ng mga adults. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
It's always going to be no. Go for it. See, when you give in to it, you just taught him to have a tantrum to get his way.
So pag pinagbigyan mo ang isang taong naglulupasay sa sahig, nagsisisigaw sa kalsada, just to have what they want, matututunan nila na yung ganong action, yung pagtatantrums, is being rewarded. So anong gagawin nila? They are going to repeat the cycle. Magtatantrums sila ng magtatantrums hanggang sa parati na nilang nakukuha lahat ng gusto nila using that method. What adults are supposed to do is you should be reasoning out how you could get what you want nang nagbe-benefit lahat ng involved. And surprisingly, kahalintulad nito, yung mga nagrarally lang sa kalsada na kung saan they want lower prices, they want higher wage, nang hindi naman nila alam kung paano nila makukuha yung ganong klaseng demand nila. But they are demanding anyways. And ang masakit nito, yung tantrums nila sa kalsada nakakaapekto sa ibang tao. Nakakadagdag traffic, 'di ba? Ang daming nalilate, ang daming napeperwisyo. Yung iba binubutas pa yung gulong pag ayaw sumali sa jeepney strike. And for what? They are going to turn yung galit ng mga tao dahil sa rally nila into galit sa gobyerno. And that's how they gaslight people from being angry to the right person. Kasi nga, hindi naman yung gobyerno yung nang abala sa kanila, pero they have their way to actually gaslight people para i-turn yung galit na yon sa ibang tao.
That's not the message you want, because that'll make you crazy over time. And he's old enough to understand. If you have a fit, the answer is no. And initially, if you've been giving in, the behavior will get worse. But if you just stick with it, it'll extinguish itself.
Another similar topic dito is yung pagbibigay ng limos sa mga pulube. Bakit siya pinagbabawal? Kasi tinuturuan nito yung pulube na ma-rewardan yung panlilimos niya. And yun yung paulit-ulit niyang gagawin instead na humanap ng parahan or magtrabaho para makaalis siya doon sa sitwasyon niya. Pero hindi kasi alam ng mga namimigay ng limos yung ganun. Ang tingin kasi ng namimigay ng limos, they are helping the poor. They are good. They are benevolent. Pero hindi nila nakikita yung damage na kinecreate ng pagbibigay ng limos. As adult, kailangan nating mapanindigan na hindi pwede na mag-tantrums ka lang and you will get what you want. Kailangan mo magbayad. Kailangan mong pagtrabahuan yung gusto mo para yung ginawa mo, para makuha yung gusto mo, will be the one rewarded. Hindi yung pagtatantrums mo, hindi yung pagsigaw mo sa kalsada, hindi yung pagrarally nyo. Work for what you want. And huwag kayong magtantrums doon na parang bata. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.